Let me show you how to fix the issue with the missing LDAC option in Bluetooth settings on OPPO Find X9. So if you have a Bluetooth device with LDAC audio codec, but you don't have that option in Bluetooth device settings, then the reason why is quite simple, most of the time at least. It might be due to an app that you just have installed for your Bluetooth device. For example, for my earbuds, I have installed this app over here that allows me to adjust sound quality and effects. And over here, I can choose the priority, whether I prefer to have a better connection quality or better sound quality. And if I actually choose connection quality, I get rid of the LDAC option and it turns into AAC instead. But if I switch back to sound quality, I can actually go back to settings, and now as you can see, I do indeed have LDAC option again. So what you need to do is simply check, if you just installed an app for your Bluetooth device, open it, check for sound quality settings or something similar to that, and make sure that the sound quality is the priority for your device. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.